Hi, today's videos are going to be based on common trigonometric ratios. So for angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees, they're all the associated acute angles, or each one is the associated acute angles of 150 degrees, 225 degrees and 300 degrees respectively. So we have 45 degrees is an acute angle of 225 degrees and so on. Right, so these are all frequently used, and it's worth actually committing these to memory. So we have our equilateral triangle here, and it's bisected by the line AD. So AB is 2 units long, and we have that BD is 1 unit long. Bear in mind, it's an equilateral triangle and all sides and all angles are equal. So the angles are all 60 degrees and the sides will all be of 2 units in length. So we have AB is 2 units, BD is 1 unit, and using Pythagoras theorem we have that AD is equal to root 3. Yep, so that's just 2 squared minus 1 squared. The square root of that will give us AD. So we have this as root 3. Now we could go ahead and work out our trig ratios. We have sine 30 degrees. That's equal to the same as sine in radians, pi over 6. This is equal to a half. Remember, this is sine 30, opposite side of the hypotenuse, 1 over 2. Next we have cosine 30. That's equal to cosine of pi over 6. It's equal to root 3 over 2. So cosine of this angle is the adjacent side, which is root 3 over hypotenuse, which is 2. And then we have tan 30 degrees. And that's equal to tan of pi over 6. It's equal to 1 over root 3. We also have sine of 60 degrees, and it's equal to sine of pi over 3. It's equal to root 3 over 2. Cosine of 60, same as sine, cosine of pi over 3. This is equal to a half, and tan 60, tan pi over 3 is equal to root 3. And there you have it. We have the common trig ratios. We could go a step further. We can also work out arcsine, which would just be, so the arcsine of a half would be pi over 6. The arcsine of root 2 over 3 would be pi over 3. and so on. So it's just working in the opposite direction to get the arcsine of any angle stated. It's not necessary for you to memorize the arcsine ratios, but once you know these, it'll be easy to just work in the reverse order to find the arcsine. Let's write out a few more. We have arcsine, cosine of root 3 over 2. That's equal to pi over 6. Arctan of 1 over root 3 is also pi over 6. And that's it for this video. My name is Alistair. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.